Okay, so here is a small bedroom with closets, and
so this is one of the. This is actually a bedroom. That's one of the bedrooms.
It is the family room with a nice gas stove. Lots of room down here.
Everything's in good shape, neat as a pin, really, when you really, you know, she's packing up, so everything that.
Sure. And then here's a little bedroom in here. Nice little garden area out back.
With bamboo.
With bamboo. And then a nice 3/4 bath in here.
These are both gas fireplaces, one up and one down, but it's electric heat. But she had a gas line run from the street for the 2 fireplaces.
Oh, nice. Okay. All right, now going up the stairs. We'll go into the kitchen. Nice big cupboards there, and pretty good sized. Of course, the view is what we came for. And as you can see, it feels like a high bank waterfront, however it's not. Here's the dining area off the kitchen.
Sorry.
With the deck.